grocery shopping, but I wanted to DoorDash a couple things. We're gonna make pizzas for dinner since it is a lazy night, and I wanted to get breakfast stuff in the morning because we have like no eggs or anything. Needed water. I got 2 packs of bacon for breakfast in the morning, some dino nuggets for Samir, some more of my creamer, and some cold brew. This is the pizza that I'm gonna throw in the oven. I got a tomato and some lettuce, along with some bread. I wanna make me BLT. 2 bags of pickle chips, and then eggs. Y'all, when I say we need groceries bad, we need groceries bad. Like, we are completely out of everything.